Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the today's class we are going to discuss about the basics of chemistry. Before going to basics of chemistry, first of all we should know the definition of chemistry. So chemistry, it is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition of matter, structure of matter and interaction of matter and properties of matter. It is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition, structure, interaction, properties of matter. So first of all, before going to chemistry definition, first of all we should know the definition of matter. Anything which has a mass and occupies a space, that is called as a matter. We can give the example for the matter is this marker pen. It is having a certain mass and occupying a space. So this is the example for the matter. Also you can take the example for the matter is duster. Duster is also having certain mass and also it is occupying a space. So it is the best example for the matter. So composition of matter. Composition means the matter consists of what particles, in which what type of the particles are present in that matter and what is the structure of that matter. And interaction means reaction of the matter with other elements like S2, O2 and water or any other compounds or any other elements. And properties. Properties, if we take, physical properties are also there and chemical properties are also there. If we consider physical properties means how does they look, how does they taste, how does they behave, that is all physical properties. Chemical properties means how does they react with the other elements or other chemicals, that will come under the chemical properties. That all study we are going to study in this chemistry. Study of all these four qualities of matter, that we are going to study in chemistry. Okay, so what are the applications of this chemistry? Applications means where we are using this chemistry. We are using this chemistry in the manufacture of fertilizers. We are using in this chemistry in the preparation of soaps. We are using this chemistry in the preparation of detergents. We are using this chemistry in the preparation of cements, ceramics, and also in the preparation of some chemicals. Matter can be classified into two types. The first one is the physical classification, and the second one is chemical classification. In the first one, physical classification, three types are there: solids, liquids, and gases. So in the first one, solids. So already you know, solids are having the definite shape and a definite volume. They are having the definite shape and a definite volume. And the second one is liquids. They are having a definite volume but no definite shape. So gases are not having any definite volume nor having any definite shape. So coming to the solids, means solids example is, you can take the best example for the solids is this marker pen. So it is having a one fixed shape and also a fixed volume. Volume means specific amount of space that is filled by the atoms, that is called as volume. So second one, liquids. Liquids are having definite volume but no definite shape. Means liquids are not having shape but they are having definite volume. Means they will take the shape of the container in which they are poured. That is the definition of the liquid. So the best example for the liquids is water. So if you pour the water in a bucket, it will take the shape of the bucket. If you pour the water in a jug, it will acquire the shape of the jug. So likewise, the best example for the liquids is water or mercury or any other liquid also you can take. Liquids. So gases. Gases are not having any definite volume and not having any definite shape. The best example for the gases is oxygen and nitrogen or any other gas. So this is the physical classification of matter. Physical means based on the physical state of matter, that is rigidity or volume or shape. Rigidity means strength of the matter. So the matter is classified into three types: solids, liquids and gases. So next one is the chemical classification. In the chemical classification, three types are there: elements, compounds and mixtures. So matter can be classified into chemically, or you can tell chemical classification. So there are the three types are there. First one is the elements, second one is the compounds, and the third one is mixture. So first coming to the elements, a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means by chemical methods these substances cannot be broken down into simpler substances. So the best example for the elements is hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, and many more are there. Total 116 elements still known to us. Out of some of them are naturally occurring and some of them they are artificially made. So elements means the substances which cannot be broken down into simpler substances by any chemical means they cannot be decomposed into their simpler substances by chemical methods, that is called as elements. So second one type of the chemical classification is compounds, the substances which are formed by mixing up of two or more than two atoms chemically. So it is also mixing up of atoms, two or more than two atoms, but they are how they are mixing by chemical means in between the two atoms the one bond is present, and the second one example is H2O, and the second one example is H2O means in this molecule or total this H2O is one molecule in which two type of atoms are there, one is hydrogen and another one is oxygen. Total in between the two hydrogen one oxygen atom is present, means hydrogen and oxygen atoms they are bonded by chemical bond. And also ammonia is the molecule in which one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atoms are there, and each two atoms are connected by chemical bond. So substances, but how it is physically, means we are just mixing sand and salt. Here what type of the mixing is there? Here only the mixing up of two substances, that is sand and salt. That is how physically, means we are just taking one container in which we are pouring the salt and pouring the sand, and we are just mixing both the substances, they are mixed physically. That type of the substances which are formed by mixing up of the two substances by physically, that is called as mixture. Okay, this one is the third classification of the matter in chemical classification is there. Okay.